Hey everyone, this is OJ here coming to you with another episode of Crypto Corner, and today I'm going to bring to your attention a brand new initial exchange offering. It is very similar to initial coin offering, except that it is being handled by an exchange. So the tokens, is after you buy them, they will be dropped straight into your account in the exchange and you will be able to trade them. It is actually coming from my top exchange for Fiat-To-Crypto, so stay tuned, I'm gonna bring you all of the details. Also, I have a super summer giveaway for all of you who are liking and commenting on my posts. I'm giving away 10 great prizes. I'm giving away the Ledger Nano S. I'm also giving away prizes in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dash. And I'm giving away 5 of the Revolut card, which is an online bank. You're gonna find out all about this at the end of this video. So stay tuned right until the end when I'm going to give you more details about my super summer giveaway. Now let's find out what is this initial exchange offering all about. Okay, so let's get started. Well, first I want to explain to you a little bit more about Bitpanda, which is the name of the exchange, and why I'm getting excited, why I'm bringing this to your attention, why do I think that it's actually a token that you might want to invest a little bit in. Of course, this is not a financial advice. This is my personal opinion, and I am a member of Bitpanda. I am a user of this exchange for the last 3 years, and this is why I actually can vouch for it, that it's actually, you know, a legit website and with a lot of credibility. It is an Austrian website based in Vienna, and they have been operating since 2014. I've been a member since 2016. So for me, it's been a 3-year journey, and I'm quite happy with Bitpanda. What they do is instant exchange between fiat and crypto. And recently they also added an instant coin swap. So you can also just exchange between coins without having to go through fiat. And it is at market rate, so it's not exactly for traders, but that is going to change very soon, because in August, in fact, they will be launching their global exchange. So it will be a trading platform, and it will be different to the current exchange, which is just at market rates. So this is the announcement here for the global exchange. As you can see, the website is not yet started. They have a countdown, 35 days until the global exchange starts, and this will be globally, not only in Europe. So right now, Bitpanda is for European customers. It is based in Austria. And when I'm saying European customers, I mean people who are based in the Euro economic zone, not only in European Union, but the Euro economic zone, pretty much all of the countries that are in Europe. You can buy and sell a lot of digital assets with very low fees. In terms of instant buy with market rate, they have the lowest fees. And you can see them here. It's 1.49% for buying and 1.29% for selling. Now, we are not talking trading here. We are talking buying and selling of digital assets. And you can see they have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Tether, Tron, Cardano, Stellar, Dash, Chainlink, which is one of the latest that they added. NEO has been around for a while, IOTA, Cosmos, Ethereum Classic, NEM, Zcash, Tezos, Basic Attention Token, of course, BAT. They also added USD coin not long ago, OMG, Lisk, Waves, 0x, Algor, Komodo, and Pantos. Pantos is actually only available to this platform. Oh, and also you can see here gold and silver. This is also something that they added very recently. Now you can actually buy silver and gold in digital version directly from Bitpanda. And what they do is they actually back this up with physical gold. This is the post where they explain, and I'm going to link this in the description box below. So they're physically backed, 100% insured, and safely stored in a vault in Switzerland. They have partnered with 2 brokers in order to be able to offer this to their customers. The first one is called Filoro. This is, I believe it's a Swiss broker or Austrian, I'm not sure. And then the other one is called Pro Aurum. So these are the 2 brokers that handle the precious metal side of the business. But this is not even the most important bit. I'm going to be talking about their token in a moment. And why they are launching this token is because they are launching their own trading platform, which will be global. And of course, as we've seen with the success of Binance Coin and other utility tokens, they are doing the same thing. They're basically launching their own token, which will be giving members discounts on their fees when they trade, and access to some other features on the website. The global exchange website is not yet launched. It will be in August, so we are yet to find out what other benefits there will be to the token. But this is the announcement. The Bitpanda global exchange was developed 100% in-house over the course of the last 2 years. It will not only provide a highly liquid marketplace for crypto assets, we also aim to bring all existing and future digital assets offered by Bitpanda to the global exchange. It is available globally for crypto-to-crypto and fiat-to-crypto trading. Verified Bitpanda users within the majority of European countries can also deposit euro, Swiss franc, and British pound. The Bitpanda Global Exchange is closely connected to the Bitpanda platform, which means that users can move funds easily between them. Bitpanda Global Exchange launches with popular trading pairs such as Bitcoin Euro, Bitcoin USD Tether, Ethereum to Euro, Ripple to Euro, IOTA to Euro, Ethereum Bitcoin, Ripple Bitcoin, IOTA Bitcoin, Pan Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Best Euro, and Best USD Tether. Best is actually their own native token, which I want to bring to your attention. And we have 6 days until the launch of this initial exchange offering. So you have 6 days if you want to take part to go to Bitpanda and register if you haven't registered yet. And if you're going to register, please use my link. It is in the description box below. Why I'm asking you to do that is because Bitpanda also has an affiliate program. It is called Tell a Friend program, and they pay you a percentage of the fees that they collect from people that you bring to their exchange. So if you have any referrals, you will be earning commissions with the Tell a Friend program. It's an affiliate program of Bitpanda. It's been going for quite some time. Also, with the new global exchange, you will be able to use the Swiss franc, the euro, British pound, and the US dollar for the first time. You will be able to actually use US dollar with Bitpanda. They have an automatic weekly, daily, and monthly buy option, a cost averaging buy option for those who want to invest and want to kind of spread their investment over a longer period of time. And you can be buying on a regular basis so that your cost averaging is not affected by the price jumps in the currency. So you don't end up buying a currency when it's, Bitcoin or any of the other digital assets, when they're too high, and then if the prices drop, you are left with with a bag that you bought at a very high price. You can actually spread your buy option over a period of time, and you can be buying every week, let's say, or every month if you want. I also mentioned that they added an instant coin swap to their exchange, to their current exchange, which is not the trading platform, but the simple marketplace exchange. And you can do that within your mobile phone because they have the app for your mobile phone, which is really handy because you can do that on the go. I've been using it actually on the go. The other day I was by the pool and I saw that the price of Bitcoin was higher. That was last week, in fact. It had jumped to about 13,000, and I decided that it's time to sell a little bit, and I did it without having to go to my computer, log in, and all of these things. So it is definitely, I said, one of my top exchanges, especially for Fiat-To-Crypto. You can withdraw to your bank account, you can use NetTeller or Skrill as well. And now back to the token, let's see a little bit more about it. So the token is called BEST, which stands for Bitpanda Ecosystem Token. I know it's a bold name, but I'm pretty sure that it will be justified. So we have 6 days until the launch of the initial exchange offering, and that will be running for about a month. It will close on the 7th of August. And this is the website. I will have the link, of course, below the video in the description, so you can grab it from there. You can go and find out more about it. You can download the vision paper, they call it, the PDF here, and the key facts about the token. I'm going to just quickly go through what is available here on the website, just so that you're clear. It starts from 9th of July and it will run until the 7th of August. At that point, it will be delivered into your account in Bitpanda and it will be tradable. So why should you want to get that token? Well, for starters, it will be offering discounted fees to those who are using the trading platform. Also, they say that there will be a lot of rewards and perks for holding BEST. That will include additional discounts and access to some other features, but that will be announced later on as they launch the exchange. BEST is the first initial exchange offering conducted by Bitpanda, and it will be immediately listed on Bitpanda Global Exchange. It will also give you priority access to the upcoming Bitpanda Launchpad, which will allow you to invest in other initial exchange offerings. And you have 3 tiers of reward levels. The first one is if you hold 5,000 BEST, if you purchase 5,000 BEST, which will get you an additional 1% on your investment amount, and discounts for buying vouchers on Bitpanda. Vouchers are basically tokens that you can buy to use them for buying cryptocurrencies later on, or to give as gifts to friends. It will also give you exclusive Bitpanda Launchpad access and more. Level 2, which will be for 50,000 BEST, gets you an additional 2% on your investment amount in BEST, and discounts for buying vouchers on Bitpanda. Affiliate start earning 14% instead of the current 10% of revenue share for customers you refer, and up to 20% maximum. Exclusive Bitpanda Launchpad access, lower deposit fees on Bitpanda, Trezor Model 1, that will be a gift for those participating in the initial exchange offering, and more. And the level 3 is for 500,000 BEST, an additional 3% on your investment amount in BEST, and discounts for buying vouchers on Bitpanda. Affiliate starts earning at 18% rather than 10%, and revenue share for customers you refer to us earn up to 20% maximum. In exclusive Bitpanda Launchpad access, of course, lower deposit fees on Bitpanda. This is actually quite a good one. And the Trezor Model T for those participating in the initial exchange offering. Now, why they are giving away Trezor? They have actually partnered with Trezor, and they're one of the exchanges that are being offered on Trezor. When you go to Trezor buy option, because Trezor is a hardware wallet that has a instant buy option, Bitpanda is one of the exchanges that they work with, so you can buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies from Bitpanda directly within your Trezor application. Also, something that is important here, and I want to mention it because it is one of the reasons why I feel that the token will actually perform well, is the fact that it will be reduced in supply. So basically they're starting with 1 billion tokens, and over a period of time they're going to cut that in half to 500 million tokens. So there will be a burn of tokens. If you are familiar with that, this is what Binance is doing and KuCoin is doing as well. They will be burning tokens in order to decrease the supply, which will in effect increase the value of the token. And this is yet another reason why I bring this to your attention and why I feel that it's good to get in this early on. And here are some key facts about the token. As I said, initially the total supply is 1 billion. Up to half of this will be for sale. The best holders will enjoy trading fee discounts in the first 5 years on Bitpanda, and you will be getting discounts when paying fees with BEST. So if you, same as Binance, if you choose to use the token to pay your fees, you will be having discounted rates. Also, as they say here, there will be some future discounts and other access to other services, so we're going to find out what this will be. The token burn, 25% of BEST received by Bitpanda through fee payments will be destroyed on a quarterly basis. So that is every 3 months they will be burning tokens until 50% of the token amount is destroyed. So as I said, 1 billion they start with, they're going to end up with 500 million. Another thing to point out here are the prices. So they have 3 phases for the prices. As I said, they're starting on the 9th of July, so this is just in a few days' time. So until the 16th of July, you will be able to buy it at 9 cents of a euro. This will be for 200 million tokens, so if they sell this before the 16th of July, then the price will go up before the 16th. But from the 16th until the 23rd, the price will jump to 0.095 cents. And then on the 23rd of July until the 6th of August, it will be 10 cents of a euro. And on the 7th of August, they're releasing the coins to the buyers in their accounts in Bitpanda, and they're being tradable. All of that information is available here on the main website. The link is below the video in the description box. You can check it out for yourself, of course, do your own due diligence. Key facts, this is the PDF that I just looked at, and they have the white paper, which they call vision paper here. So I urge you to go and check out these links as well if you want to get involved. So this is about the token, guys. I feel that this will be a good one. I'm not going to say that it's going to perform exactly the same as Binance Coin token, but it has the potential to do very similar. Bitpanda is a very popular exchange all over Europe, and with going global, I'm pretty sure that they're going to grow very fast because they are actually fully regulated by the Austrian government authorities, and in April they received a payments license from the Australian Financial Market Authority, which allowed them to go global and to add all of these new options to the website. So this is why Bitpanda is going to be much bigger very soon. Even if you haven't heard about it, it is being awarded one of the top startups in Europe for the last few years. So it is actually one of the exchanges that you should take a little more seriously. And as I said, I've been using it for the last 3 years, is it? Since 2016, yes. So it's been 3 years for me, and I've watched them grow from an exchange that was offering just 3 cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, adding Ripple very early on, and now they're offering so much more. Pretty much every month I get an email to announce that yet another token or coin has been added to the exchange. So this is everything for today's episode of Crypto Corner. I hope you like this content, and if you do, please leave me a like and a comment as well. Don't forget that for those of you who are subscribed to this channel and leaving likes and comments, I have a special summer giveaway. It is called my Super Summer Giveaway because I have 10 exclusively crypto prizes. Now let's find out what these are. Announcing my special summer giveaway. Yes, to celebrate the arrival of summer, I'm doing a special summer giveaway on my YouTube channel for all of my subscribers. I'd like to get to know you better, and I want your feedback on my content. In return, I'm giving away not 1, not 2, but 10 great prizes. 5 physical Revolut debit cards. Revolut is an online bank with zero-fee conversion of all major currencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's my favorite card to use on my travels. Also, I'm giving away crypto prizes, $50 worth of Bitcoin, $50 worth of Ethereum, $25 worth of Litecoin, and $25 in Dash. And the grand prize, my favorite hardware wallet device, the Ledger Nano S. Compact, secure, and anonymous, the Ledger Nano S is everything you need to store safely your long-term crypto holdings. For your chance to win, all you have to do is like and comment on my videos from now until August, when I will select the winners. You also have to be a subscriber, of course, but it's free to subscribe, so this is your chance to win these fantastic prizes. You are in charge with your luck. The most active subscribers will be rewarded. It's that easy, so get busy.